I don't know, man. We was balling on them boys at the court, man, but if only I had my lucky shirt, man. You see? I ended up with this dingy ass shirt, man.
I told you to get the new one out the drawer.
Man. Hey, I think all my shirts in your drawer anyway, man. We need to go check that out right now.
All right, man.
But man, you see how I just crossed that boy, man. I told you I was cold, man. 2K did that to me, man.
So you learned your game off of 2K?
Yeah. Hey, hold on, man. You see that shit? Fuck. Got me singing the blues. Oh, got me singing the blues. What is it, man? What's wrong, man? I got beat up today. There's nothing new in Sesame Hood. You always getting your ass whipped. Yeah, but I got my ass whipped by a stinking little kid today. And on top of that, she roasted me about my lip. Well, man, your lip is messed up. You ain't never worried about getting it fixed. Don't touch me. But I'm just saying, man, look at it. Don't touch me. You see, that tone that you have, that's the reason why you always get your ass whipped. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, I'm going to tell you for once. Watch your tone and look straight. Don't look at me when I'm talking to you because your breath stink. Now, buddy, if you just fix yourself up, leave them rotten bananas alone, you're going to be good. You will be good. You will be straight. So, sir, get off my fence because you always in somebody's random yard and you won't get hurt. But I'm comfortable here. You see, now you're about to have another injury in a minute. You better move out my yard, go over there to the neighbor's house if you want someone to hang, but don't hang here. I ain't gonna call the cops. I might just call, well, you know, so just move. But I want to hang here. Then I just said, don't hang him. Yeah, oh, now you cut. Oh, I killed him. Ooh. Will you help me hide the body? Hell no! Hey, I scraped my hand. Oh man, go ahead. Well, anyway, what was that? Looking like a stuffed monkey. A stuffed monkey? Something that you probably see on Sesame Street, man.
Sesame Street?
Well, since you know the brother, what to do, man?
Man, only thing I can think of is split up.
Come on, man. For real, that's the best you can think of, splitting up. What you mean? You got? Huh? I scraped my hand.
You worry about your hand. You need to worry about getting the body here. But anyway, you go that way. I'm gonna go that way. We're gonna meet up later. I promise. 2 times.
Ah, my hand.
I think you hard.
What? Shit.
I ain't about to run, man. What? Brother gone. Ain't worried about that. I'm a grown man.
Yeah. Oh, there you are. Oh, there, man. All right. No. 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 No!